So Amazon Prime Day was like in July. Their sales percent up.
Whoa.
The CEO, he is a huge.
How did you know this?
This one. Your skin feels so soft. Her name is Mary and her middle name is May.
Oh, what's your last name?
Centella. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Cookie. Today's episode we have Mary&May. Mary&May is one of the baby brands because it was first established in 2020.
I feel like that's a hard time to get started.
Yeah, because it was during
COVID.
Also, Mary&May. Who is Mary&May? Okay, so apparently Mary, the name Mary, right, is kind of like a maiden name. And May is like the month of the spring where it's kind of like very blossoming, blooming. So that's why they called it Mary&May. Basically, the whole brand is a clean brand. Like, it's vegan. This is all like plant-derived ingredients, and there's no like animal-based ingredients at all. That's why a certain brand can have a certain product that's vegan, but like the whole brand being vegan itself, I think that's pretty.
Another thing I noticed from like testing out some of the products, especially as you mentioned, like during May, it's the summertime, but like also spring, so it's a little bit hot. Mary&May has a lot of like really light products that's really good for your skin, so it doesn't like clog up your pores, and you don't feel like it's heavy during the summertime.
That's what I think I've realized that because there is no heavy products, like thick products, you know what I mean? It's all like lightweight and kind of very gentle. And one of the interesting things I found about Mary&May is because like Mary&May is like a female name, they have a whole brand persona. So this person, like the persona, is like a office worker who's in her like mid-20s, and she's like this very trendy and like all about that self-love type of girl that walks around checking out like new skincare and beauty products. So that's who Mary&May is if she was a person.
Yeah.
Very much boss girl.
Yeah, she's bossing her way through life, just like Mary&May. Her name is Mary and her middle name is May.
Oh, what's your last name?
Centella. And also, the CEO, he is a huge Wildcat fan.
Wait, question. How did you know this? Where did you get this information?
The worker in Mary&May told me. Okay, so let's talk about their most famous product. What do you guys think is the famous product?
I like the soothing cream.
Soothing cream.
If you pop it in the refrigerator and it's like nice and cool, you can put it on during the summer and it's like refreshing.
This one, I use it
Every day?
pretty much every day because this is like a daily mask thing. And then after shower, like during I blow dry my hair, I would just put on one mask.
I actually have 3 products that I love. I like niacinamide. And niacinamide is like for brightening, and it's also like your best friend for acne skin, and it helps like calm down your inflammation. I also bought a mini fridge just for this. Because I have my whole vanity, and then I have to go all the way into the kitchen to get my like mask. So I bought a mini fridge just for this boy because I just want to have it like on the go and then just like put it on my face. It's so refreshing. And I also love the rose hyaluronic because hyaluronic acid is also like a key ingredient to help soothe your skin and for acne skin.
You have to try this. This one really makes your skin glow in the morning.
Sleeping pack.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is the sleeping
I
pack.
put this in my fridge, but then my fridge broke down the other day. I'm like so sad. It became warm.
The packaging too is very pretty.
This
I
is
love
right? It's like
The texture is really pretty too.
I feel like I've used like this one and also the lemon one. This one. Every like mask packs after you like wash it off, because it's a wash off pack, your skin feels so soft, and like I love that because for like oily to acne skin, putting on like sheet masks or like wash off masks kind of actually irritates you. And if you put it on too long, it actually like encourages your inflammation.
I think that's something a lot of people don't know either, because like when I first started skincare, like if I would get a mask, I'd put it on and keep it on until it completely dried, because that's what I thought we were supposed to do. You're not supposed to do that. It's only like 10 to 15 minutes at most.
Have you been like that?
No.
Well, you saved your skin.
I read the instructions because like.
But I felt like once you like take it off in like 10 or 20 minutes, it's so much waste of like product.
Right.
So I would like kind of mush it down and then like overuse it. I think that's why it irritated my skin and like.
More is not always better.
Yeah. I guess less is more.
In this case, sunscreen, not the same.
Apply your sunscreen. Reapply your sunscreen.
That's true. How do you read this? Idebenone.
Idebenone.
Idebenone?
Idebenone.
Idebenone.
Idebenone. Okay.
Idebenone.
I dab on. She was like, Idebenone, and she was like, I dab on. Also, one of the like new ingredients that I found out through Mary&May was the Idebenone, which is basically a vitamin C, but it's like double the effect of vitamin C. Less irritating, but double the power. So this product has Idebenone also inside blackberry, the fruit itself. Berries in general are like antioxidants, and then having like Idebenone and blackberry complex, that's like the double the power. Have you ever seen another brand make a Sunstick that has like bakuchiol and peptide for anti-aging, and it's a Sunstick?
Yeah, when it first came out, I was like, damn, you can put bakuchiol in Sunstick.
Right?
It's like a triple kill. Get all three things in
That's
one.
the word I was looking for. Kill.
마지막으로 갖고 온 제품은 마스크. 그것도 워시오폴. 조금 귀찮죠? 근데 이 제품 진짜 좋아요. 저는 이 제품이 왜 안 유명해지는지 잘 모르겠다 싶을 정도고, 만약에 이미 되게 유명하다면 너무 죄송하지만 되게 좋은 제품이고요. 이 안에 판테놀도 들었고 다마스크 장미 꽃수에 조금 손품이 좀 드는 제품이기는 하지만 사실은 제품력이 너무 뛰어나고 이 안에 알란토인도 들어가 있고 그다음에 5가지의 다 다른 히알루론산이 들어가 있어요. 고분자부터 저분자까지. 그래서 이렇게 워시오프팩으로 히알루론산을 만나는 것은 쉬운 일이 아니어서 굉장히 저한테는 너무나도 소중한, 약간 예전에는 좀 나만 알고 싶다라고 생각했던 제품이기도 했는데.
And also panthenol. Panthenol is like a new ingredient that I'm like studying about. It's so good for skin barrier. A lot of reasons why you get acne or pimple or you have inflammation or any kind of basically skin concerns is because your skin barrier is broken. And then panthenol is one of the key ingredients that help you build your skin protection. So I think this is a really good.
One of my favorite ways to apply sunscreen is actually to use a sun cushion. It provides thorough coverage like any other sunscreens out there, and it's also a good way to reapply your sunscreen without smudging your makeup. I have here with me the Mary&May Vegan Niacinamide Panthenol Sun Cushion. It's a physical sunscreen made with zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. It's also formulated with 2% niacinamide, which blocks melanin production, and 2% panthenol for that added moisture. The cushion puff helps even out the application, leaving a natural tone-up effect. The finish is really smooth and my skin feels hydrated without any sticky feeling. Since the cushion is massive, you can also use it on your body. The best part about sun cushions is that you don't have to worry about reapplication over makeup. It layers nicely over makeup without smudging it. As you can see on the cushion puff, minimal makeup is transferred. If you want a sunscreen that doesn't budge your makeup, you should look out for a sun cushion.
This is a very new concept for me. Sun cushion.
Sun cushion. And it's like this big. Like you can just your skin.
Places where like, you know, these areas are like you're behind your neck or like a chest area. I hate when sunscreen touch my clothes. But like sun cushions and sunsticks are like, this is my like best tip. It's like I use them around my chest area or like where your ears, especially ears. Everyone forgets the ear, but you have to put sunscreen on your ears too.
I'm going to do a Mary&May Niacinamide Vitamin C mask, and there's 30 inside, so it's perfect for one every single day. Wet tissue packaging for hygiene usage, and the price range is nothing compared to the original price of sheet masks, and it contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C for everything that you need in your daily skincare. So I'm going to let this sit for a minute.
I love that. And I also forgot to mention, but she reminded me, it's for hygienic purpose too. You just take it out, you don't have to like rip the whole thing. And, like
Excess serum and stuff
serums
inside.
in the package and you have to like get it all out. This helps a lot because this is like 30 masks. Imagine if it was inside a plastic container.
I mean, like,
That would be a lot of waste.
even if like, imagine buying 30 masks. That's like 30 different packages that you're using.
Yeah.
That's 30 just in one box.
And also a lot of like those mask packs, they have like excess left, you know, the essence is left. But then this one, you don't have to worry about that because it's like all contained inside the bottle. Also, I've never seen a brand that has so many certifications. They got clean beauty approved, no harmful ingredient approved, cruelty free, and there's like eco packaging. It's dermatology tested, vegan certified, and they have their own patent formulas of like soothing complex and multi-barrier complex. And I think it's because they have to like pronounce that they're a vegan brand, they have to approve or like get past certain tests to say Mary&May is a vegan brand. I think that's why they have a bunch of certifications for that. So there is this organization that helps with deforestation called Tree Planet, and Mary&May are co-partnering with them to plant these indigenous baby trees all over the world. And while they're using like recycled packaging, they're also helping deforestation with planting baby trees.
Because if you think about the amount of trees and trees being cut down, Every effort helps.
Yes.
Every effort
Every
counts, like
trees.
So Amazon Prime Day was like in July, and their sales went like 1,200% up.
Whoa.
All over like North America, basically, they're getting the recognition they deserve. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this episode on Mary&May. And also, I have a great idea that can help you guys if you know your skin type and you want to find the perfect brand or product that matches your skin. Comment down those below, and you know what? I'm gonna help you find the perfect brand because I've been studying all of these amazing brands and like going to their key ingredients to how they affect your skin. So if you need help, comment those down below.
And make sure to subscribe so you can look forward to our future videos.
Yeah, and then we'll see you in the next episode. Bye!